Welcome everyone to Driving the Wheels, and in today's video we have the 2022 Honda Odyssey Touring. Priced at $42,800 and refreshed last year with new styling and features, it has to go head to head with the new Toyota Sienna and Chrysler Pacifica. Starting off under the hood, we have a 3.5 liter V6 which makes 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. Transmission will be a 10-speed automatic. Moving on to the exterior, we have full LED headlights as well as LED daytime running lights, incandescent turn signals down at the bottom, and LED fog lights. 19-inch alloy wheels all around, and for brakes we have 12.6 inches vented in the front, and in the rear we have 13-inch brakes that are solid. Mirrors will also come heated with blind spot monitoring. Moving to the back of the car, we still have incandescent full LED taillights. Honda also added on all trim levels Honda's Safety Suite, which provides 4 pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, auto high beam headlamps, and lane keeping assist. Inside the vehicle, we have leather seating with 3 staged heated seats, 2 personal memory seating, 12-way power adjusting seats, a push to start, 7-inch free configurable gauge cluster, 2 analog gauges on the outside, DVD player, and tons of connectivity. You will get an electronic shifter, push buttons for drive, neutral, and park, and for reverse you will have to pull back on the switch. Along with that, you will get an electronic parking brake with brake hold. Now let me know in the comments if you prefer a traditional gear shifter over the upgraded button one. You will also get a 3-zone automatic climate setup, 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a backup camera with 3 different angles. Moving to the back, you will get tons of legroom, drop-down TV, HDMI port, and 2 smart charging USB ports. Lastly, moving to the trunk, we have an insane amount of storage room, even with the rear seating up. With the third row up, you get 33 cubic feet of storage, and with the third row down, it bumps up to 89 cubic feet. Now that was a short look over the Honda Odyssey Touring trim. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.